The fixed wheel, so this is the fixed side,
Yep,
and the freewheeling the other.
yep.
And you've always used this in preference to having gears or derailleurs.
Yeah, because there's less aggravation. Problem is, I've had loads of races and with gears,
Yes,
and the gears always tend to go against me,
I'm with you over that.
and it's annoying because they got to be so precise. So I thought, now I'll get rid of it. I'll just have a wheel like this, simple,
Yeah,
to the point.
that's an interesting approach to cycling, absolute minimalist. I
And
don't,
also-
yes,
As well, there's a company that does a front wheel with an electric hub,
yes,
and if you had that set up, then you could use the electric side of it for the hills,
yes,
and then for the flat you could use this for the back.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? So
I'm with you.
you wouldn't need the gears, so that'd be a lot more pleasurable when you're riding for long distances like Salisbury from here.
Yeah. So
Because-
the uphill you would get assistance.
Yeah,
and
because I go to Stockbridge quite a lot,
yeah,
but there's three main hills that get me because
Yeah.
of my age, and I don't I like riding
Yes.
miles and miles and miles, but the hills get me. So if I was thinking, if I got an electric hub, which is about 400 quid, we've got a battery there, which obviously I'll put there in a
Yeah.
casing. That'd be my hill bit side of it, and then just on the flat, I would use this and just let the
what?
bike do the, and just look around and just enjoy it more.
Do you know, I've never thought of that. I never thought of the concept of having an absolute minimal electric bike
Yeah.
with obviously the assistance. The problem is with a 100% electric bike, you can't pedal it.
No.
It's too heavy.
But there's a new company that do a hub,
Yeah.
a very small hub. Well, I don't know if you've seen it, with a battery that sits there,
Yes, I have.
which you could situate and put it there because it looks smarter out of the way.
Yeah,
And you could use that for your hills, assist,
yeah.
because a lot of places, like here to Salisbury, that'd be a nice ride.
Yes, it is. It's a little bit, there's a few hills in
Yeah.
between, aren't there?
Yeah. And also, if you get a bit out of breath, the electric could help you anyway.
It would do.
But just an idea, though, you know what I mean?
Well, of course it is, but it's a very simple and it's actually a very good way about the problem because electric bike is purely electric and you are then dependent totally on electric to charge it.
Yeah.
Once the battery's gone, you don't have a bike.
You're naffed.
You are.
And
You
plus-
could have two batteries, I've come across that, but of course that's even more additional weight and considerably more expense.
Yeah, because I think you probably get about 40, 50 miles.
Yeah,
That's what you really want, because obviously 20 miles there, 20 miles back, maybe 10, 15%
it's a
back up.
comfortable figure for a day's riding.
Yeah, yeah. But there's some beautiful places around here if you want to venture out. You know.
There are.